Hello, welcome to my tutorial on how to set up the Eliza starter kit using Venice API. If you watched my previous video, you will have seen about setting up WSL and setting up the IDE. If you don't know how to do that, then watch my other video. I'm not going to cover that again. So let's get going here. Make sure you have a folder open and you have your IDE open to that folder, and then we are going to git clone. Just copy the web address here and press enter. So we're going to go into the folder now. You can see it right here. Click the folder, click OK. Okay, so what do we do first? Open the terminal. We want this. Okay, so start the video again here. And you have this, so you just press enter. Okay, as we keep going here, if you want to get rid of part of this previous chat, just type clear, press enter. Again, type clear, and then press enter. Okay, have characters. So this is going to be your character right here in this file, and I will show you how to run that. Before we do that, we're going to need to install all the node modules. So you're going to need npm. You're going to need this installed. npm use enter. Okay, so switch your node version to 22. Type in npm install. Okay. We're going to do npm build. All right. So what do we do here? Inside of here, you're going to put your Venice API key here. Okay. Then here, you're going to put your Discord API token here. And you are going to put your Discord application ID here. If you want to see how to get the Venice API, you can watch my previous video where I have timestamps. It is posted in the API channel, and you can see how to get your Venice API key. I'm going to assume in this video that you already know how to get your Venice API key, and you just paste it in here. Discord, I will show you how to do this. Okay, for Discord, you need to come to this page, discord.com/developer/applications, and you will need to log in. You need to click new application, and you can type in test Venice. You have to accept the terms or you will not be able to continue. Click create. Confirm that you are a human. Okay, you will have an application ID. You copy that. And I will show you where to put that. Okay, you can see that I have posted it. Yes, I have posted this value into this env example file. Don't put it into the env example file. Make sure to put it in the .env file. I'm putting the actual stuff into the .env file so that you can't see it, because don't share this stuff with other people. Same thing with this Venice API key. You will put a value in here into this Venice API key. Okay, that will be just whatever you cut and paste from your Venice API key. Obviously, this is not mine. Okay, back to Discord. Okay, so inside of Discord, you need to come down here to bot. You need to turn on this, you need to turn on this, and you need to turn on this. These three things under the bot tab need to be all turned on. And after I will show you how to make a link, you need to click here, reset token. Click yes, do it. It's weird. Click yes. Okay, after clicking reset token, you should see a token like this. You will cut and paste this token. Okay, so then your token should get pasted in like this. So you'll have your application ID and your Discord API token. Okay, and then you'll also have your Venice API key as well. And it, again, will not be in this file. This is just an example file. I got you earlier to create this .env file. That is the file that you will open and put this information into. It is exactly the same. All right, after you've pasted those into your env file, you will come here. Discord JS guide, preparations, adding your bot. Okay, so you come to this link here. If you just type in this beginning part here, you should be able to just search on this website and find this very easily. That's what I did to get this page. You want to cut and paste this. Okay, this is how you will paste it, and you will change this ID here to your ID. You paste it, press enter. So see where it says ID, make sure that you replace this value here. Basically what will happen is you'll get a thing to invite your bot to your Discord, and then you will be able to actually add it to your Discord. You need to add that bot to your Discord, and this will give it permissions and all that. Okay, after you put in that link, it'll take you to this. You have test Venice. So you select the server, you click authorize, you click I am human. I mean, only if you're human. And then go to your server. Okay, now it's time to start your character. So you want to post in this, and you can see here it says path. Okay, so we need that. So we go up here, click characters, click on this JSON, right click it after you left click it. So left click, select it, right click to get this menu, and then come down here, copy relative path. You're going to need that. Then remove this junk. So we're going to get rid of this, and then we're going to paste in this. Okay. And then we're going to press enter. Okay, so you can see here in Discord, now everything is running. You just type in to the app, and then you write your message, and the LLM will respond. Now you are actually using your Venice API key to chat with the bot in Discord, and it has access to the LLM the same as if you were using that language model on the Venice website, except for now it's in your Discord. Please enjoy this. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.